Experts say recent changes in the tax law add up to $1 trillion worth of bonuses for taxpayers this year alone. Tonight, Taking Action reporter Jackie Calloway explains how some of them will affect your tax return this year.
Exactly. And a lot of these changes we're talking about are good changes depending on your circumstances and the decisions you made last year. You might be entitled to a long list of write-offs. Here are a few that might affect many of you.
Everyone who draws a paycheck will see a small bump in their take-home pay thanks to a 2% drop in the amount of Social Security taxes taken out.
For every $1,000 that you make up to the wage base, you get an extra $20 in your paycheck. So over the course of the year, if an individual makes $100,000, they'll get $2,000.
The wildly popular tax credit for first-time home buyers extended through September of 2010. That translates into as much as $8,000 for a home you closed on before the deadline. Clearwater CPA Diane Roeder says there's a lot for taxpayers to take advantage of this year.
I would advise at least visiting with the CPA, your tax preparer, and making sure that you're taking advantage of all those credits.
There's good news for people who made a major purchase in 2010, such as a boat or a car. All of the sales tax can be written off or deducted. And for others who return to school,
also, if you're going to school, make sure you take advantage of the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which is $2,500 for the first 4 years of schooling.
Also in 2010, high-wage earners don't have to worry about certain deductions being taken away based on their income. But the news is not good for those on the other end of the economic spectrum. For 2010, the first $2,400 in unemployment benefits will no longer be tax-free. In 2009, the jobless paid no taxes on the same amount.
Well, as you know, Congress made some of the changes to the tax code in December, which means the IRS is not ready to handle any itemized or complex returns until mid-February, and that's at the earliest.